Hello, welcome back. So in this video we'll be proceeding on how we can get the orthographic view for this drawing, which could be the first angle projection or the third angle projection. So with all the information that are on this isometric view, we'll be making use of them to get our top, front and side view. So but before we continue, you will agree with me that we are still on the isometric workspace. You can see. So to go to a workspace where we'll be able to have the orthographic view, we have to go to our drafting setting and change this back to orthographic, which is the rectangular snap. So I'm going to type DS, which is shortcut for drafting setting. Enter. So here we are currently on isometric snap, so I'm going to change this to rectangular snap and click OK. Now you can see that the interface has changed. Now with the information here, we'll be making use of them to have our top view, our side view and front view. To proceed, I'm going to change my layer and make it default layer. Now we starting with the front view. So with this front view, I know that from here to here is 4, right? And we know that from here to here is 1, here to here is 0.75, here to here is 0.5. So let's just start. Now I would like to put on my auto. So right now, to do this, I'm just going to start and okay. So this will be okay. Here I'll have it to be 4, right? Then I have here to be 1.5, 1.5, and then this I'll come this way by 0.5. I'll come down by 1. Alright, then coming this way 0.5, enter, and I can actually have this to be 3. Actually have it to be 3. Then this is 1, 0.5, and I have my 1.5. right? Now I want to offset this by 1, so I'm going to offset by distance of 1, right? And so this is by distance of 1. I'm still going to offset again by 0.5, 0.75 rather. So 5. Oops, it should be 0.5. Alright. So I'll pick my circle, right? This is my circle, pick my circle, then I'll pick the midpoint for this place. So my circle, the radius of my circle will be 0.8 or 0.75 actually, because if we should divide 3 over 4, 3 over 4 will give us 0.75, right, of this point. So that this part will be 0.75 for the radius. So right now I'm going to trim. Right, then I'm going to change this line to dash line, right? I'm going to change it to dash line. So to do that, I'll have to come to my, and as well this side I'm going to change to dash line. So I'm going to my line type. So then load it. Let's give this a try. Let me also load this. okay, so okay, so I'm going to select. And then look for I have to look for one that will really appear on this, right? So come in, go back and load more, and that will really actually appear. Okay, that's two. So I have this right here, right? Then let's proceed. So I also want to drop the top view, of which I know that okay, from here to here, which is from here to here is 2.5, right? Then because of this part, the section part, so this place from here to here, that place, we are going to consider that side as well. We consider which is from here to here 3. Then we also consider this other side that is 0.5 and the likes. So to get this done, right, go to my line, okay, 2.5, 2.5, right? Then I have, so then this will be 5, 2.5, then 5 as well. Now what I will do, I'm going to offset. So this time around I'm going to offset by 0.5 as well, right? And I'm still going to offset. I'm going to offset this time around by I'm going to offset this time around because I actually want to get 3, so I'm going to offset by 2. But no, I will be offsetting by 1. So I have this, right? Now then I can draw out my line, which should be 0.5. So from here 0.75 rather, right? 0.75. let me come again now, that with this point 0.75, then I'll come by 3, then I have it, and right, so the same thing here, 0.75, come by 3, then pick my head point, right? So now I can get rid of all this. Actually I just use it to get the, I have this now. Then okay, I need to have, I'll still offset by 0.5, yes. So I'm going to offset this by 0.5, offset by 0.5. then I will extend. So I want to extend this part, still want to extend this, right? And this will be a broken line, so I'm going to use the dash for this, right? Then yes, so yeah, this is how the top look like, right? This is how the top of the drawing will look like if we are to view it from the top. This is how it's going to look like. Then for the side, let us look at the side of the drawing, so which is this part, right? So we'll be having our 5, we'll be having our 2.5. then the distance from this place downward, that should be because if we are to look from up down, then that should be giving us up to like 1.75 if I'm correct. And then our circle as well is there as well. So now let us quickly look at how we can get the side view of this drawing. Alright, now so for the side, I'm going to have 5, then I have 2.5. as we are already familiar with the dimension from this part, right? So then I can offset. So this time around I can offset by 1.75, or if I'm offsetting by 1.75, it will be from the top, and if I want to offset from this part, it will be 0.75. So let me just offset by 0.75, right? So from here to this place, right? And I'm going to change this type to dash type. Alright, so then I'll pick my circle for the main point. See, I know that we have two circles here, which we use as a circle for. One is radius of 1, and the other one will be a radius of 1.5. So using the midpoint, have the one of 1.5, then 1. Alright, so now I can trim. Okay, so here we are. Now if we are to dimension this right now, so we can actually just dimension it as well. So go into my dimension, and you see, so we can dimension this. Know that okay, from here to here give us 1, right? Then we already know that okay, here to here will give us 1.5. So that's how we were able to know that from here to here will be 0.5. Alright, then from here to here 0.75. So you can just go on and dimension your work. And so if we from here to here, you can see here to here 0.25, right? Then let us look at this, and this will also give us 2.5. This part to this part give us 3, which is the 3 here, 2.55. Then okay, let us look at here to here 2, right, and so on. So then if you look here to here will give us 4 here. So looking at this is our, so we can use in our annotation, right, the single line. So I can so this is my front. Alright, now I want to change this, so we can, you can go on and create a new for text, right? And probably alright, so I'm going to make that the current layer, then change this, right? So now I can copy this, take away my auto, bring it here, also bring it here. Alright, so and I'll double click. This is my side view, and this is my top view. Right, so now I'll have to change this to text. Also change this to text. So I have this, right? We have this, so you can give this a try. Now in the next video we'll be looking at how we can plot our drawing, how we can plot it. So plotting is just trying to produce it out for people to see and for presentation. Alright, so we'll be looking at that in the next video. Right, thank you for staying with me on this journey. See you at the next video.